Hi besties, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to today's video. So today we are going to be doing an amazing deep condition, okay, that's going to help you to nourish your hair and also improve hair growth because of the ingredients we use. So I hope you enjoyed this video with us. So let's get started. Here are my ingredients. I'm going to be using some pure almond oil. That's what I'm going to be using. I'm also going to be using some Greek yogurt, this particular brand. Yeah, this is a Greek yogurt I'll be using. I'll be using some avocado, this whole avocado. Then we'll go in with some honey for more nourishment, okay, and I'll be going in with 2 bananas. Okay, this is how my banana is. Yeah, so in my blender I will be adding in my banana and my avocado and all the ingredients I just showed you guys previously. Okay, I will be adding it into this blender. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this particular video with me. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe if you have not, share a beautiful comment. So I just opened the avocado and I will be scooping out everything and be putting it into my blender. So I'm going to be adding in some yogurt, okay, inside this recipe. I used a tablespoon and I added a little bit more. So let's say 1.5 tablespoons of yogurt. Then I'll be adding in honey, okay, and I use 1 teaspoon of honey. So this is how my honey is. So I'll be taking 1 teaspoon of honey. I'll be adding that inside. Then we'll be going in with my oils, which I'll be using 2 particular oils. Along the line I decided to add some coconut oil inside because I wanted more oil inside this recipe. So I added few drops of almond oil and I'll also be adding few drops of coconut oil inside as well. Okay guys, do you know that you can also drink this smoothie for hair? Yeah, you can actually drink it. I have a video whereby I show you all what I eat to help me to grow my hair from inside. So I added this smoothie because I split the smoothie into 2. I added the smoothie with another smoothie and I drank it and it tasted so marvelous. Like, it was so amazing. Yeah, so I'm going to strain it just to remove any chaff. Okay, so I will also be telling you guys the benefit of this hair mask and why you need to do this hair mask on your hair. So I just took down my 2 months hair braids. Okay, so we have finally done with 8 months of doing mini braids on my hair. I am super excited about my hair growth. Okay, so I started this mini braids like 8 months. It's 8 months now. Okay, so I am so grateful I took that decision to stop putting attachments on my hair or doing any other protective style apart from mini braid. It really helps to build your hair growth and strengthens your hair. So I'm just squeezing out everything, making sure I strain everything out. Oh my goodness, this thing was so soft, like just literally so soft. So as you can see, this is a chaff. You don't need this running down on your hair because it's going to take a while before you'll be able to rinse it out. So my mask is ready. This deep condition, this hair mask is so good. Okay, the benefits which I'll be discussing with you guys as I apply it on my hair is really amazing for hair growth, okay, and softening your hair. So this is my hair after my pre-poo. I did a pre-poo on my hair, which I will drop in it. Okay, so that pre-poo is really awesome. I tried 2 different jelly ingredient on my hair, and this is the result I got. My hair was so amazing. Okay, so I'm just going to be parting my hair into 4 sections so that it's easier for me to work with it. So this is my hair on just doing only mini braids. Okay, my hair volume has changed, my hair has changed. I love my hair right now. Okay, love. So after parting my hair in 4 sections, I will start applying this on my hair. So I'm done packing my hair in 4 sections. I'm showing you guys what it looks like. You need to be packing your hair either 4 or 2 sections or 6 sections, depending on how fuller your hair is. Okay, so this is what I will be working with. I know the cut is not straight, but anyway, we're working with it. So I'm going to be starting off from the back of my hair, and I'll be sharing with you guys the benefits of using all these ingredients for your hair growth. So love, avocado has amazing benefits. Okay, the benefits are it helps in moisture, it smoothens your hair follicles. Okay, it promotes hair growth, and it reduces breakage. Okay, due to their rich fatty acid and vitamins. All right, so when you applied avocado in your hair, okay, it's really helps in terms of moisture. Okay, avocado is really packed with amazing fatty acid that helps in smoothing and helping you to grow your hair follicles. Okay, it helps in trimming out frizz on your hair, it helps in detangling, it promotes your hair growth because avocado has biotin, it has vitamin E, and which helps in promoting your hair and blood circulation in your scalp. Okay, love, so I'll be going on to tell you guys the benefits of banana as well. So banana helps in moisture. So as you can see, avocado helps in moisture, banana helps in moisture, banana nourishes your hair, banana promotes healthy hair growth. Okay, and why it helps in reducing frizz and split ends. So consistent using of banana and avocado is really good for your hair. Okay, banana has moisturizing and hydrating properties. Okay, because of the potassium it has in it, it helps to hydrate and moisturize dry hair and battling with frizz hair. All right, so banana is contains with vitamins and minerals that helps in nourishing your hair and your scalp and promoting healthy growth. Okay, so this is so good. Like, it's this deep condition I'm using is really packed with lots of amazing benefits. So I am still working on with the back of my hair. As I apply, I detangle and I make sure that everything is penetrated well on my hair. Okay, love, so I make sure I detangle my hair as you guys are seeing from the video, and the coils are giving, like, the coils is just popping. Like, I cannot believe my hair is this long. Okay, like, I struggle with stock of hair. Like, my hair has been stocked in a particular level since before I started doing this mini braid, and this mini braid has given me a bit of hope that my 4C hair can actually go, because I was stuck with one particular length for a very long time. It was not getting full, it was not growing, it was just stuck there. Okay, due to me doing different hairstyle with attachment, and maybe they were pulling my hair, they were not really taking care of my hair, and me myself, I was also neglecting my hair. But ever since I started doing this mini braid, I really take care of my natural hair. So I'll be moving down to telling you guys the benefit of using yogurt, like the Greek yogurt, on your hair. So Greek yogurt is rich in protein and it has vitamins inside. Okay, it strengthens and nourishes your hair from the roots. All right, so using Greek yogurt, applying it with other, like using it with other ingredients like banana, like this particular hair mask I'm doing, okay, is really good. Okay, it's so beneficial for your hair growth. All right, besties, so it strengthens your hair, it applies shine to your hair, it gives your hair, makes your hair softer. Okay, the protein helps to reinforce your hair strand and makes it softer. Okay, and as it's soft, it also strengthens your hair. All right, love. So using coconut oil, I'll be telling you guys the benefits of coconut oil, honey, and using almond oil as well. So coconut oil helps in moisture. Okay, it repairs that damaged hair. All right, it helps your hair, like it helps you to remove dandruff. Well, if you have dandruff on your hair, using coconut oil on a regular is going to help you to remove the dandruff. Okay, and it also helps with other scalp conditions. Okay, you can use it as a pre-wash treatment, like for coconut oil. Okay, you can use it as a deep conditioner, as adding it into your deep conditioner. Okay, as you can use it as a hair mask. Coconut oil has different ways for you to use it. For almond oil strengthens your hair, almond oil repairs your hair. Okay, almond oil is really good. Okay, you can use almond oil when you want to do like hot oil treatment on your hair and like to seal in the ends of your hair. So I'm still working on my hair. All right, so I'm working my hair in smaller sections right now. If I work with a small section, I make sure that I detangle that particular place, make sure that the deep condition it's all circulated in that particular place before I move to the next one, as I use my hand to walk through my hair. Okay, so this is what I am doing. All right, besties, so I hope you enjoyed this particular video with me. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. If you've watched this extent, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like, share, and comment. Like, the ends of my hair is doing so amazing right now, guys. Like, I don't have these knots on my hair ever since I did that flaxseed gel leave-in on my hair. You guys know in my previous videos I have been using flaxseed gel as a leave-in. So this is what my hair is looking right now. I am so obsessed with the look of my hair right now. So for the benefit of honey has naturally smoothing properties, okay, that helps your hair scalp and restore shine and helps you get rid of frizz, dry. It helps your coils to pop back, okay, and it helps you to remove your hair from being dull. If your hair is dull, if you are using honey on your hair is going to be shiny. All right, so honey has amazing properties for sealing in moisture and prevents future moisture loss too. So this is my hair. I am all done with everything. I am just loving it. So I am just taking everything down so that I can show you guys the final result of my hair. So what do you guys think in the comment section about this deep condition? Are you going to be trying it? Do you try it on a regular basis? I do this deep condition once I have taken down my braids. I try to incorporate this particular one to my hair. If I have the whole ingredient in the house, I use it, but if I don't have the whole ingredient in the house, I use what I have. Like, see how bouncy and volume my hair is. I love this. So I'm just going to be packing my hair into two and I'll cover it, and I'm going to allow this to sit on my hair for a full 1 hour. So if you want to stay longer, you can, but I allow this to sit for my hair for a full 1 hour. Okay, love, so that is what I will be doing, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. So I always smell the plastic bag I use on my hair, because you know, when I go for shopping, I get all this plastic bag. I use it for my hair because it's good to recycle. Yeah, recycling is good. So after this, I'm going to just allow this to sit for 1 hour, and I'll show you guys what it looks like after 1 hour. So my loves, 1 hour is over and this is what my hair looks like. My hair felt, oh my goodness, it felt so soft, like literally so soft. I love the after feeling about this on my hair. All right, so I'm about to make a new braid, so that is why I'm prepping my hair like this. I hope you enjoyed this video with me. Let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment, and I'll see you on my besties in my next video. Bye for now.